friends, welcome to our channel. Bloomberg analyst doubles down on $1 lakh Bitcoin prediction, but there is a big catch. Bloomberg Intelligence's senior macro strategist Mike McGlone is doubling down on his $1 lakh Bitcoin prediction, but says that the king crypto could encounter a major setback on the way. In a new interview with crypto influencer Scott Melker, McGlone says that he still envisions the king crypto eventually hitting a six-figure price tag, but once it might dip below the $20,000 level en route to doing so. Remember, I made the call for $1 lakh Bitcoin when it was trading below $20,000. I still stick with that in the long term, but I think it's more likely to drop 50% and get down to $20,000, even make a new low before it goes on the trajectory. To support his prediction, McGlone points toward Treasury bills paying out over 5% and the Federal Reserve's continuing monetary tightening policies. When I see things like I can get 5.25 in a Treasury bill done. Look at the Case Shiller index or the House index, it just was almost at the highest ever right before like 2006, up 20%. Now it's down 1%, that's collapsing. I look at the Fed still tightening, and the last thing that always usually falls is the stock market. Just look at the Case Shiller index is designed to track chances in real estate prices across the country. The index hit its all-time high in June last year and has been trending down since. McGlone goes on to say that BTC may not be able to spark a bull run due to the macroeconomic environment. I had loved to be bullish Bitcoin, but if you look at that price right now at $30,000, the first time it traded $30,000 was right at the end of 2020, right at the beginning of 2021, so it's unchanged. And if you look at the Nasdaq over the same period, it's up 20%, yet the volatility in Nasdaq is half that of Bitcoin. So right now Bitcoin is great. It's got all these ETFs coming in. We have the hopium for the ETFs, but the actual performance versus the Nasdaq, which has got AI and everything going for it. I look at it as I am disappointed, and I think the problem is I sense way much business bullishness, but yet the macro is very unfavorable. The Fed is still taking away the punch bowl. Next, how low can the Bitcoin price go? Bitcoin is down to 1 month lows, and BTC price predictions are tending to assume worse is to come. How much lower can bears manage? The price of Bitcoin BTC tickers down $29,124, has fallen to 1 month lows, and traders are increasingly betting on more downside to come. Bitcoin price slides to 1 month lows. BTC price performance has weakened in recent days, with BTC or USD hitting $28,850 on July 24, data confirms. Despite a brief rebound, market participants remain unconvinced that the largest cryptocurrency has seen the worst of its losses. Looks at current prognosis for crypto and risk assets during a major macroeconomic week. $28,500 for a last leg down. For popular trader Cryptoid, the prior dip to Bitcoin's lowest since June 21 was entirely expected. Now he believes that a final break into buy liquidity should occur, taking BTC or USD to around $28,500. A relief bounce to $29,400 could come first. If we do get a move like this, then I am looking for a setup for more downside and possibly $28,500 to 400, more or less, he said in his latest YouTube update. Crypto ED showed an additional target box covering prices as low as $27,800 but acknowledged that he was unconvinced that Bitcoin would make it there. Low 27,000s to stop out bidders. For fellow trader Crypto Chase, the downside could take Bitcoin towards $27,000 before last minute long entries get suitably burned. Speculators should end up bidding at major price points as BTC or USD moves down at $29,200, $28,500 and $28,000, he predicted earlier in July. In an update on July 24, he maintained that his was the likely course of events. These are still mostly my thoughts. I can't short now as strong or bear opportunities are behind us. Decent entries were not offered based on my strategies, he acknowledged to Twitter followers. With that said, feed already turning Gigabear, still plan to bid low 27s for a strong bounce and see where it takes us. An accompanying chart showed relevant Fibonacci retracement levels for the daily chart. Moving averages still to see retest. Ahead of a series of crunch United States macro events, various traders are keeping out of Bitcoin until a more apparent trend emerges. Nonetheless, various moving averages persist as important lines in the sand, among them the 200 week and 21 week at $27,130 and $28,200 respectively. Bitcoin is testing support in a key zone of historical significance, Keith Allen, co-founder of Monitoring Resource Material Indicators, summarized on July 24. Not coincided, we have found strong support yet, but the 21-week MA looks like it would provide a stronger foundation. Need to let things develop a bit for some clarity. Some worst case scenarios include far deeper drawdowns with even the loss of $20,000 not entirely off the table. So friends, I hope you all understand. If you like my explanation, please like and share. For more latest videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.